How's everybody doing? Today's project is this MTD high wheel mower, and the symptom I'm having here when I try and start it is it's making a really loud racket, like something's grinding metal on metal. So just to show you guys the symptom, I'm going to put you guys down. I'm going to fire it up. I'm not going to let it run for very long because it doesn't sound too good. Alright, so there you go. Okay, here's something on the other side. Just investigate. Okay, well, apparently I was incorrect. The blade is actually rubbing on the deck over here. Alright. So, I'm going to lift this guy up here with the jack stand and see if I can figure out what's going on and why the blade is rubbing up against the deck. Okay guys, well let me show you what I got to deal with here. If you can see right where my light is pointing, there's a rub mark right there. So that's where it's rubbing, just that one little spot. Now there is a sort of an indentation on the outside that corresponds to that, but that looks like it's factory. So either, I don't know, that's a defect, something dinged this, or the blade's too big, or the crankshaft is bent. So I still have to do a little more investigative work. Once I figure all that out, I'll let you know. Okay guys, let me give you an update on what I think happened to this mower. Now it might not show up as well on camera, and it took me a while to sort it out, to figure it out here. But I think what happened was this mower got hit somehow on this side. And the reason I say that is I'm looking and comparing even the front here to the front there. Again, it's going to be hard to pick up on camera, but this side definitely looks like, instead of being sort of straight up and down, is actually tilted in a little bit. And it's very hard to notice, but I think this whole side of the mower actually got hit and pushed in somehow a little bit, and then that's why there's less space over here. If I look on the underside, the blade actually clears by probably ½ an inch. On this side, as you guys saw, it rubs. So what I'm going to do is just try and do a little bit of minor body work from the underside. I'm going to take the blade off, and I'm just going to bump it out enough that the blade clears. I'm not going to try and get it back perfect because that won't work. So just in that one spot where it's a little bit on the high side and it, or pushed in, I'm going to go ahead and try and bump that out just a little bit so that there's some blade clearance there, and hopefully that's going to solve our problem. Alright guys, another quick update. I just used a little sort of a ball peen hammer, the ball peen side, and what I ended up doing was just whacking it a couple times right there on that high spot. And it only took maybe, I don't know, 10 wraps on with this hammer, and as you can see, it's now definitely got the clearance I need. So I think this one is going to be a salvageable machine. I'm going to go ahead and try it and see if it runs again and see if there's any issues. And hopefully, now that I've cleared that mower blade, hopefully she'll run well, and I can clean this guy up and do my normal tune-up stuff and sell this guy. So thanks for joining me in the garage today, guys, and as always, if you enjoyed the content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That'll notify you when I have new videos coming out. And until next time, guys, take care.